Hello everyone. This is part 17 of complete Hindi language series from basic to advanced, and today's topic is word formation with matra of O. So let's get started. We have already completed word formation with matra of A, choti e, badi e, chota o, bada o, re, a and I. Okay, and this is our today's topic. And this letter creates no matra as the sound of a is already inherited in every letter. Back to our today's topic. This letter O creates this symbol, and this symbol is known as matra of O. Okay, so let's see how we apply this matra to letters. Let's take this one. This is letter Ch, and after applying matra of O, now it became cho. Okay, the pronunciation of this word would be cho after applying the matra of O. Okay, this is letter Ch. This is Ch, and after applying matra of O in this way, now it became cho. Okay, let's take this one. This is letter ba, and after applying matra of O, now it will be pronounced like bo. This is ra, and this is matra of O. Now it will be pronounced like ro. This is letter la, and after applying matra of O, now it will be pronounced like lo. Okay. This is bha, and this is again matra of O. Now it will be pronounced like bho, and just add this letter to this one. So now it will be pronounced like bhor, which means dawn. This is letter ma, and after applying matra of O, now it will pronounce like mo. I just add this letter to this one, ra. Now it became more, which means peacock, which is shown here in the picture. Ra, again mother of O, and just add this letter ga to this one. Now it became rogue, 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 which means disease. This is la, and this is again matra of O, and just add this letter ga. Now it became log, log, which means public. This is dha, and this is again matra of O, and this is la. Now it became dhol, dhol, which means drum, kind of musical instrument. This is cha, and this is again matra of O, and this is ta. Now it became chot, chot, which means injury. This is ga, and this is matra of O, and this is ya, and this is la. Together it became koyala, koyal, ko. This one is ya and this one is la. Now it will be pronounced like ko ya la, koyal. Means cuckoo, kind of bird. This is ta and this is mother of o and this is ta again and just apply mother of a. Now it will be pronounced like tota, which means parrot. And we have already seen this word. This is more, which means peacock. This is bha and this is o, mother of o, and this is ja and this is na. Now it became bhojana, bhojana, bhojan, which means food. Ha, mother of o, and this is la, and this is mother of body e. Now it became holy, holy. Holi is festival of colors and usually celebrated in India. Ja, mother of O. This is La and this is mother of Badi. Now it became Joli. This is Ka and this is mother of O and this is Ya and this is La, mother of A. Now it became Koyela, Koyla. Koyla, which means call. The, mother of O, the, la. Now it became bottle, bottle, which means bottle in English. The, mother of O, the, mother of body. Now it became dhoti, a garment, usually worn by men. Ma, mother of O, this is ta, this is ra. Now it became motor, motor. La, mother of O, and this is ta, and this is mother of A. Now it became lota, lota. Focus on the pronunciation of the words, okay? And don't worry about the meaning of the words. This is mother of O, and this is ma, and this is ri. Okay? Lo, ma, ri. Lomri. Lomri, which means fox. This is da, mother of O. This is la, this is ka. Now it became dholak, dholak, which is a double-sided drum. Ma, mother of O, this is ha, this is na. Now it became Mohana, Mohan, which is just the name of a person in Hindi. Ka, mother of O, ma, la, komal, komal. Komal means soft. डै mother of o, le, che mother of बड़ी e. Now it became dolci, dolci, dolci. Se mother of o, ne mother of a. Now it became so na, so na. Okay, sona. Re mother of o, hai, ne rohan, rohan, rohan. This is also a name of a person in Hindi language. Now we will read this complete paragraph. Okay, this is more. Again, we have already seen this word hair and hair. More, ne और चे नाच, रे है मतलब आ रहा है, ढे मतलब ओ लेके ढोलक, बे जे आ बजा, मोना मो ना मोना, का भा ई भाई, आ या आया, को येले कोयल, गाना गाना, गाती है, गाती है, को का कोला पी, कोका कोला पी, मोहन मोहन, सोहन सोहन, का भाई भाई है, बढ़े मतलब छोटी ई, या बढ़िया, भोजन भोजन, खा मोर मोर, को पकड़ो पकड़ो, मोहन मोहन, बाजार से गोभी गोभी लाया, सोहन सोहन, कहाँ गया. And skip this word as we haven't learned about the matra of this symbol. Let's see one more time in a one go. मोर नाच रहा है, ढोलक बजा, मोना का भाई आया, कोयल गाना गाती है, कोका कोला पी, मोहन सोहन का भाई है, बढ़िया भोजन खा, मोर को पकड़ो, मोहन बाजार से गोभी लाया, सोहन कहाँ गया. Okay, and this is homework. Try to read it by yourself and please read every word aloud so that you could become familiar with every word. Once you become familiar with the words, then there would be no difficulty in learning Hindi language. And please focus on the pronunciation of the words. Pronunciation is very, very important. Or let me read it for you once. एक एक जंगल में एक एक तोता और मोर रहते थे. तोता बहुत, जैसे मात्रा छोटा हो, नाउ इट बिकेम बहुत, चतुर था और मोर बहुत सुंदर था. एक दिन बारिश होने लगी, मोर खुशी से नाचने लगा और तोता उसे देखकर बोला, मोर भाई तुम कितने सुंदर लग रहे हो. मोर हंसकर बोला, धन्यवाद तोता भाई, पर मैं तुम्हारी तरह उड़ नहीं सकता. तोते ने कहा, हर किसी हर की अपनी विशेषता विशेषता होती है. हमें खुश रहना चाहिए। मोर ने सिर हिलाया और दोनों दोस्त खुशी खुशी जंगल में घूमने लगे। So this is how we read Hindi language. And skip some words as we haven't learned about these matra like this one, and this one. So skip these words, okay? So this was the end of the session. Thank you for watching this video. Bye-bye.